Exceptional data solutions go beyond numbers and dashboards. At Consortium Analytics, we deliver a holistic approach powered by cutting-edge tools driven by industry expertise and optimized with actionable insights in real time. We redefine analytics by blending technical precision with a business-driven mindset. Whether it's financial services, real estate, or transport and logistics, we craft tailored solutions that transform your operations and drive measurable results. From building predictive models with AI to designing intuitive dashboards in Power BI and Tableau, we align advanced analytics with your goals to deliver outcomes that matter. We're not just a service provider, we're your strategic partner, shaping the future of decision-making through data. Let's unlock the full potential of your data together. Discover what Consortium Analytics can do for you.